2, 3, come with me in a world of my imagination. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't hear you come in. Please come on and join us. We here at Centennial Library, we have a motto. It's called Explore, Connect, and Create. So today, we're going to be making some snow globes. There are 2 different kinds of snow globes. There are water and also air. And I'm going to show you that snow globes are for everyone, all ages. And I've made examples of both, but today we're just going to do one of each. I'm also going to show you that just because something says it's for one thing, doesn't mean it has to be. This says it's supposed to be for an ornament. I don't think so. Not today. I decided I don't want this to be an ornament. I want this to be a snow globe. So, I have 2 of these. One's going to be for air, and one's going to be for water. So what I did, and what I found out, which was so cool, that a bottle from a Coke lid screws right on. It was awesome. And then also a lid from mopping, it screws on too. And it was perfect. And it didn't leak. Amazing, I was so excited. So I'm gonna put this one right here and that one right there, just so they don't roll off on me. Now, the next thing I had to do was find something that would fit in the very bottom of these little lids. And I came across this little guy. So, what you'll need, and this is the basics for snow globes, is for water kind, distilled water works. And then you'll just need a variety of different things to decorate or throw in there that you like. It can be Legos, it can be snowballs, it can be confetti, whatever. You like it, it fits in there, get it. The only thing you have to do is make sure that it doesn't leak. Trial and error. Don't be scared to fail, that's what it's all about. So, got my hot glue gun. I'm going to start off with the yellow lid. Put a little bit down. Then I'm just going to make sure it goes straight down. I'll let that be right there. Now I'm going to do the same thing for this one. And just so you know, high temp works better than low temp. And you don't have to worry about it not being waterproof, so that's good too. All right, so now that we have that done, those are good to go. So let's start off with this one, which is gonna be, let's do the air one first. So one thing I did find out with, I've got different kinds of size of snow, big, small, and then there's glitter. So for this one, I'm gonna use, let's say, oh, I'm just gonna throw some of this in there. And yes, this stuff does get kind of messy, but no big deal. And let's see, glitter-wise, I don't know, I'm feeling kind of festive. Let's go for this color. Kind of teal, why not? And I think because I have some of this, which I had made earlier with some super glue, I'm gonna go ahead and dump it in there. And I love stars, so I'm gonna put that in there too. I'm gonna go and put my hand on it and just shake, just to see. As you'll see, because of the static cling, it starts to kind of stick, which makes it cool. So I might want a different color too, which I'm gonna go for blue. So that way it doesn't just settle to the very bottom. It gives it just a little bit of a luster, which I really like. All right, so just because, let's make it a little festive, I got some little confetti stuff. I'm just gonna throw it in. 'Tis the season, right? All right, now I'm just gonna take this, screw it on. And you don't even have to use super glue or anything else on these because it just fits. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Now you've got an air snow globe. So now I can put this one just to the side over here. Oops. See, but it does balance, which is always a good thing. You don't want them falling over. Now, we're going to do our water one. Now we've already got the bottom glued on. So now we just get to decide, what do we want to put inside? Let's see. Now I want to do, let's do glitter snow. And I am not shy on this. I love making a little bit of a mess. It's just not so fun cleaning it. And some of this. And again, I do love those stars. And I'm gonna go ahead and even though they do float, why not? Some big balls, some small balls. And now let's see. Let's go for all the colors. Why not? Oops. Put my hand over it. Shake. I guess I didn't have to shake because we're going to add some water to it, but either way I still like shaking stuff, so why not? It's all good. All right, so now what I'm going to do is, where did I put my, oh, here it is. I'm so silly. Here is the distilled water. Oh, there, right there. And now I'm going to just pour it in, or all over myself, whichever one comes first. Nothing like a bath. Just kidding. All right. That should about do it. You want to have some, you don't want to have too much air in there, but you can already see some of it go. I'm gonna put just a little more. I just can't help it. Love snow globes. Doesn't matter the season, I love it. All right, now this, we're gonna turn upside down, put it in. Now this one is really cool because this one you gotta make sure you get it on straight because once it starts to click, it's good. It's not coming back off. All right, so that means it's good. Now, I have right here is a plate and a piece of tissue paper that I use to make sure, let me just wipe this off, to make sure that it does not leak. I've done this for all the snow globes. So I turn it upside down and I put it on there, and then that way I make sure that all the snow globes are not leaking. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this, and I hope more than anything that you guys will remember to explore, connect, and create, and also may all your dreams come true.